Hey friends, welcome to Inspire Minute Live on Facebook. And today we are going to discuss a very burning topic. My name is Gaurav Nimje and I'm here with you as the host. And we have Mr. Shivam Singh, one of the Inspire members, alumni from Manet, as well as currently the PhD scholar at IIT Indore. So we welcome him gladly. And of course, viewers, directly moving on the topic, we have a currently very famous and popular video that was shared on the internet. We'll just show you. I hope you have seen it also. And our topic is directly related to that. And it's not a new kind of topic, but here we will see some more insights and why it became so popular nowadays. सो रिलेटिंग टू करंट सिनेरियोज हम देखेंगे कि ये वीडियो का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है और हमारे साथ शिवम सर हैं वन ऑफ माय सीनियर्स एज वेल एज इंस्पायर एलुमनी सो थैंक यू सर फॉर कमिंग हियर
Thank you, Gaurav, for inviting me again on this platform. I'm really very glad to be with you again and will be sharing my views, whatever I have heard, whatever I have read, whatever I have gone through. And definitely that will be benefiting to our audience and our viewers as well.
Of course, sir, we are looking forward for that enlightening session. So, sir, as well, this topic is not a new kind of thing. बहुत बार डिस्कस किया जा चुका है इस पे, लेकिन फिर भी करंट सिनेरियो में ये कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं वो हमारे व्यूअर्स बहुत अच्छे से जानना चाहेंगे. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज बिगिन योर दिस टॉपिक and I move forward.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Gaurav, for giving me the opportunity. So, first of all, we would like to understand some basic points. We'll be going through some facts as well. That why there is a need for discussing such a point at this platform and why we have come with such a topic. So, first we'll be understanding as per our topic that are there any logical reasoning for accepting this vegetarianism, and there have been lots of things which is going on in internet as well, and there are so many controversial points as well regarding this topic. So hope we'll not be creating any more controversy and we'll be clearing a point today for our viewers, and we'll be giving them a perception, a right view, so that they can have a clear understanding of it and they can have a choice. We'll give them the options.
Of course.
So, first of all, I would like to mention few facts, one or two facts I will be telling, and then I'll be sharing that video which you are talking about.
Of course.
So, you know, as per Food and Agricultural Organization (FAO) of United Nations, a third of the food for human consumption is wasted globally. You know, third part of food which we are producing for human consumption is wasted globally, and that is that counts around 1.3 billion tons per year. So, you know, 1.3 billion tons per year food we are wasting for human consumption. This much food we are wasting per year. So this is a shocking point.
Surprising.
We must be thinking of. And if you talk about this animal killing and meat eating, so regarding that, a point which I would like to mention here, like over 200 billion animals are consumed by the global population of over 7 billion every year, and meat consumption is projected to more than double by 2050 as the population grows to over 9 billion. So see, as we know that today we have almost more than 7 billion population, and if we are projecting it to 2050 up to 9 billion, so this demand for meat eating is going to get doubled. And how much we are eating today? 200 billion animals. See, 200 billion animals per year we are consuming. See, this much consumption we are having for animals. So these are some points which we should think of. Now, because of these points, we must be discussing all such things, and meat eating, how it is influencing our consciousness, why we are coming with such a topic, and why people, they are not getting in too much, why they are not concerned about all these facts and other things. So regarding that, I will be sharing that video in which you are talking about, that viral video. So let me share that. So are you able to hear, see my screen?
Yeah, we are able to see. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'll go through
Yeah.
that video. So see, the most important TV ad you will ever see. So this is a video. See, in Israel, people, there is nowadays there is a trend regarding veganism also. So what is that, we'll be discussing a bit about it also, and how it is influencing the people as well throughout the world in global aspect. So let us go through this video.
מצאתי. בשר טרי?
חמי, אני רוצה טרי טרי. וואי, טרי פה.
כן, זה נקרא טוב. חבר, יש לך בשר טרי טרי?
אבל שיהיה טרי טרי.
טרי טרי! טרי טרי בדרך!
יואו, הייתי רעב.
טרי!
Press.
מה זה? טרי? לחלק או לארוז?
Would you like to chop or wrap? This is the most press.
אתם לא באמת מופתעים. למעלה ממיליון ישראלים עשו את החיבור והפסיקו לאכול בשר. לכל המידע על איך להתחיל, חפשו בגוגל, עושים את החיבור.
See, so this is the video which I would like to mention, and as for the video, if you would like to see, like we want fresh thing. So the commercialization has been done in a way, like we cannot even think of what we are eating. The commercialization has been done in a wonderful way, like the packing. You might not be thinking of, like I have seen so many people, they have no idea of what kind of plant of wheat is, or what kind of plant a gram is. So they don't have any idea how they are getting produced. So they don't have actual discrimination between any vegetable or any meat product. So they don't have, the commercialization has been done in a wonderful way. So let me give you another picture of it. So you know, if you go for McD, if you go for KFCs, so even you will be eating meat, but you will not be having a thought of it, like you are consuming some meat. So you will be thinking, oh, you are enjoying a burger, and you must not be thinking of that animal flesh.
Yeah.
Even if you are eating that flesh, but you not be thinking of that animal whose flesh that has been used in that burger, or in that pizza, anything, whatever you are eating in KFCs. If you'll go, you would not be thinking of any kind of flesh with that dish, whatever you have in your plate. So this is the thing, the way it has been commercialized in the market. Now there is another picture. So this is the picture. Can you see the difference? You cannot even see the difference. Like vegetables are there in another side, and in another side of it, the meat has been packed. So like the like by going through the picture, you won't be having any of the conclusion out of it, like what it is, whether it's a goat, whether it's an specific animal. You won't be having any idea. like from the video we have seen, in that video, that girl was saying that she won't, like some was demanding fresh apple, so
Yeah.
she thought of fresh flesh, and which they can think of, which they can prepare in their kitchen. So when that the one who was taking the orders, when he thought of the fresh flesh, so he thought of that, let me give then an animal. You cannot have fresh flesh than that animal, because you have to cut it and then you have to extract that meat out of it. So you know, most of the people, they eat meat, but they never think of that, like from where it is from where it is being originated, from where it is coming, they have never thought of even. So this
Yeah.
is the most shocking thing which we have think of, regarding this, a very important note I have heard of, like the the cruelty which is happening inside a slaughterhouse. If you would like to see, if you would like to go into any of the slaughterhouses where mechanically so many animals are being slaughtered, I mean lakhs of animals are being slaughtered in a day. So there, if you see that much cruelty, you will not be able to eat anything out of it. So you know, if some people says, like if slaughterhouses will be having walls of glasses, then definitely people will not be eating flesh.
Yeah.
So this much cruelty, which because we are not able to even think of, we are not able to imagine of that pain, that cruelty which is being an animal is going through. So that's why we can say and we can enjoy it on a plate.
Of
But
course,
definitely,
actually, it's so well covered by this commercialized products that we take it as sabji only, like a vegetable. Simple.
yeah.
No difference we can see. Yeah, correct. Hmm.
Yeah, definitely. So this is the thing we should be thinking of, we should be pointing of that the product, the animal product which you are getting of. That's why it's very much essential to have some basic information, the food stuffs which you are having, from where it is getting originated. Like I'm coming from village background, so I know what I am eating, how it is being produced.
Ah,
That's why I have seen, like I pointed out the point regarding food wastage also. One
of
third
course.
of the food is getting wasted, you know, and that was in billions of tons. So it's a lot of food. But I have seen, like I'm coming from farmer background. So
Mhm.
you know, they respect even a particle of a grain. So they don't even waste, because they know how much hard work they are doing for producing that grain. So they respect a lot, they even worship the grain. So this much sensitivity is required. And if you want to if you want to means become so conscious about the society, about the people around you, and about the animal around you. So many things are there.
Uh, Let me ask you one question.
Yeah,
We can say that if this is the kind of options, अगर ये options हैं हमारे पास इस तरीके से, like that is vegetables are also available in the market, और हमारे पास this non-veg stuff is also there. तो
yeah,
हम हमारे पास तो ये मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस है, और साइंटिफिकली भी देखा जाए, सो हम सभी ने फूड चेन पढ़ी है 9th 10th क्लास में ऑफ कोर्स. तो
yeah,
उसमें ह्यूमन एक पार्ट है, एंड इट इज उस तरीके से हम देखते हैं कि फूड चेन में जिस तरीके से एक ह्यूमन आ रहा है उस हाँ जस्ट अ सेकेंड,
नीचे नहीं है।
अच्छा जी, वहां अंदर 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 अंदर, नहीं नहीं माता जी, अंदर अंदर. हाँ अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम, वो छोड़ दीजिए. आई एम वेरी सॉरी. हाँ, तो मैं बात कर रहा था कि फूड चेन में हम देखते हैं कि ह्यूमन इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट, एंड ही कैन लाइक इन अ फूड चेन ग्रास एनिमल्स कंज्यूम अनदर एनिमल. सो
yeah.
इसमें मतलब दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ राइट वी हैव. सो बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ फूड चेन, व्हाट्स सो मच रॉन्ग अबाउट इट? आई
Yeah, definitely. You are raising a point like sometimes I have met with few peoples, and when we raise this type of concern, so they also say like we are also an animal. We say a civilized animal.
Of course, in one sense, yeah.
Yeah, an animal has a right to kill another animal for its survival. One has to die for others' survival. So we have a right to
Mm.
kill another animal.
Yeah.
See, this type of argument we are making because we have been given higher intelligence. Okay, so that's why we can make such types of argument, and we can satisfy our intellectual uh, queries as well. We can prove, even if we are wrong, then also we can prove that in this wrong also how am I right. We can prove ourselves because of that higher intelligence. So it's a misuse of that. Definitely the
Yeah.
intelligence which we have given to that have some specific reasoning why we have been given that higher intelligence, that higher consciousness. So that we cannot do for only for making such type of arguments. See,
Sir, but the
we
basic point, what I was asking, what's the wrong thing? Means that's a kind of intelligence, but still,
yeah, yeah.
fundamentally, what's the reason? Yeah.
The wrong thing which I want to mention, like the structure which we have given to, if we take it scientifically, so we have given a carnivorous type of structure. More, if you see our intestine, our teeth structures, so it is more likely to an vegetarian class of an animal. So the structure which we have been given to, and and when we go for this meat eating, when we go for animal stuff, so that cause lots of other problems as well. When we go scientific studies, some people they have been doing lots of research regarding this controversial point. Some people they justify this point, but these are the facts, because these are rich in proteins, fats, these meats and other things. So when you consume lots of saturated fats, so that raise cholesterol content within you, and it causes lots of diseases related to your hearts and others. So it has some bad impact on that point of view. But even if you talk about like consciousness, we know that animals have consciousness and the plants also have consciousness. So when you kill an animal, so because the level of consciousness in animal is higher than the consciousness of plants, and definitely in human it is more higher than even animals also. But
Mhm.
definitely we cannot compare the pain which a plant going through when we kill a plant is not
Yes.
equal to the pain when you kill an animal. Okay, because that is different due to that level of consciousness. Like if I am giving I'll give you an example. Like if you cut a branch of a tree, so
Hmm.
that tree may be able, definitely that tree may be facing some pain and suffering out of it, but it may not get died, it may not get dried up because of that means suffering. But if you cut the branch, like a branch, let me take a body part of an animal, so he may die due to that pain, due to that suffering. So
Yeah.
we cannot compare that animals and that plants. And now if you talk about like you make a point what's wrong in it. So see, we are not here only for justifying our food. Okay, the food is an essential element only for our survival. We must agree with this point. But is it the only goal of our life to meet our food demands? To like, are we living, are we surviving only for our food, or we are just taking food for our survival? That means if we are surviving only for our food, that means we don't have any other goals. That means there is no use of higher intelligence which has been given to you. But if you are having food just for your survival, then definitely you might be having something others to some other goals to achieve. So these things we must think of, and we should be working on a way that we our aim is what, to spread to spread prosperity, to spread happiness, to spread humanity in all living entities. And when we kill animals, do we are spreading happiness? We may be feeling good, we may be feeling tasty in our tongue, but that's not we are expected to. So that higher intelligence is given for something higher to achieve. So these are the points which I am going to make through that. So definitely there is no wrong, but definitely we are not here to trouble animals. And if
Sir, but concerning this point, okay, let's see, we are making some higher point. And if we, so basically how eating habit will make that thing so affected? Like if we are making some higher point, or maybe we can say we are practicing this spirituality. So how this eating will have effect on that? I don't means you can be spiritual. That doesn't matter how you eat or what you do. But you can be spiritual now.
yeah, this is another concept which is very much popular in internet, in social media. If you will meet with people, see, I have told you that the reasoning which we have given to us, we can justify any of the thing which we are doing. Like even if you talk about Indian constitution, so even if you have done so many wrong things, then also you can take up bail out of it, because it's so flexible, and you can take so much misuse of it, and you can take lots of advantage out of it. So this is what that higher intelligence which we are using for, but definitely that is not meant for it. So you made a point that we can become a spiritual by even if we are having this type of habit. So see, if you're talking about spirituality, so definitely we must be going through some religious points of views also, that what religion thinks as well, because this spiritual, we cannot differ spirituality from a religion. Definitely that has some higher understanding as well. Sometimes people they take it as a faith only spirituality, but that has a higher understanding also. So but let me explain some of the points regarding this. See, whatever type of food you are having, definitely your consciousness is going to get affected out of it. So if you like if you are eating stale food, or then definitely your digestion will not be of that much good. You will not be able to think nicely, you will not be having good thoughts in your mind. So that's why it is being recommended to eat fresh fruit,
Yeah.
to have only cooked, like recent cooked food only, है ना? You cannot, if you are consuming stale food, then definitely that is going to affect your consciousness, that is going to affect your thinking ability as well. So what kind of stuff you are having, like inside come whatever is going inside, that is going to get out. So if you are having it, that is with regard in regardance with your hearing as well, the kind of stuff you are hearing, definitely that is going to come out from your mouth. So definitely whatever goes inside, that affects your consciousness, whether it's a word, whether it's a food, anything. If you are having anything that is having some bad impact in your consciousness, and then definitely your consciousness is going to get degraded. But we are here to raise our consciousness gradually. We are not means going to live like an animal, because we have been given higher intelligence, we have been given higher consciousness. So we have to be evaluate, we have to be elevating our consciousness as well. So the point which you would like to mention, like we can be spiritual, so definitely if you have that intention, like because of your habits, you might be so much habitual for eating meat that you won't be able to eat, you won't be able to avoid eating meat. But definitely if you are having that intention to follow that spirituality, so it may be helping in you a way that in future you will be able to stop these type of habits. Like if you talk about Hinduism, if you talk about the religion concept, so it has never been recommended. This meat eating is considered as a violence to animals, and animals are also equal to, they have also right, they are also equal to us, as we talk about the scriptural point of view. So they have also rights, so we cannot kill even animals as well, if we talk about a scriptural point of view. So Hindus has this concept that they don't spread violence, so they don't kill animals, they don't recommend this thing. And if you talk about other religions also, they have this meat eating concept in a way that they don't recommend this process. This is not the thing, like you cannot say that you can only you can be a Muslim only when you will be eating meat. No, you can be a true Muslim when you will not be eating meat as well. So these things are not the compulsory subject. But when, because I have told you, this human life which you have, which we have given to us, is having higher purpose, is higher intelligence which we have given to us. So our life is very much important. So when there is a need, when we don't have such facilitation, then we can go for animal killing. But that also has some restriction, when that what kind of animal we can kill, that has some restriction which has been mentioned in scriptures as well. But definitely we can go in that.
Of course, sir. So okay, sir. So finally, I would like to ask you to present conclusion कि पूरे हमारे discussion का जो भी conclusion आप बताना चाहें.
Okay, so as a conclusion of it, I would like to tell some of the points. I'll gradually be mentioning all these points. Like 4 points I would like to mention out of it. Like vegetarianism, if we are promoting this thing, like sometimes some people they are too much obsessed with this vegetarianism or non-vegetarianism. So that is not the ultimate goal of our life. We have some ultimate goal, and that is self-realization. And what is self-realization? To understand who you are, who God is, and what is your relation with that super soul, that God. So this is what the self-realization. So that is the ultimate goal. So even some people, they may be vegetarian, but they are not, if they are not going for self-realization, practicing self-realization is basically that spirituality is. So even if one may be a pure vegetarian, but if he is not going for self-realization, then definitely he is not going to achieve the ultimate goal. So this is the one thing. And if you talk about this spirituality and self-realization and other things, so definitely some sources we should refer. Like if I talk about this food habit and other things, so in Bhagavad Gita, there is a chapter which is talking about all these principles. Like there are so many categories of principles, so peoples, and they have different values, they have different principles. So as per the level of consciousness, there have been recommended so many food habits as well. What kind of food they can adopt, and how gradually they can raise their consciousness. Because I talked about a lot regarding this higher reasoning, higher abilities which we have given to us than other animals, which which we are having. So for what purpose which we are going to utilize that higher intelligence than animals and other things, which we have to think of that level of consciousness is whether it's raising or not. If it is getting elevated, then definitely we are going in the right direction. So in Bhagavad Gita, you will get to know the food steps as well, that what kind of food step will be conducive for practicing spirituality, for your self-realization. So that is the thing which you can refer for having this type of understanding. And another thing, like we are not here to criticize the people, those are very much fond of eating meat. But regarding all these facts which I have been mentioning, like meat eating is causing a lot of climate change, lot of other impacts as well. So all these things we can be thinking of, and will not be influencing other people to adopt that culture. If at least if we'll be able to relate this point, that will also be helping great in people around us. So definitely this vegetarianism is not the ultimate goal. We have to go for self-realization, and self-realization, I told you that it's a higher understanding of yourself, super soul, the God, and how you are going to establish that relationship. And the best sources for that is Bhagavad Gita. You should read Bhagavad Gita, and then you will be having proper understanding of.
So thank you so much, Shivam sir, for presenting such wonderful points regarding this, and how this concept of thing is not the ultimate goal, but actually it's helping us to develop further consciousness. And it's very important to look out what is the original source of जो भी हम खा रहे हैं या consume कर रहे हैं. We should know about that, how उसका source क्या है. Yeah. So thank you all very much for joining us on this live session. We will be back again with some more interesting topics. And thank you, Shivam sir, once again for joining us.
Thank you, Gaurav, for inviting me, and thank you, everyone.